Techtober got me thinking, with everything that's happened so far in 2022, one thing is for sure, Google is on the up and up. Starting with the Pixel 6, the search engine giant finally found its own unique voice when it comes to smartphones, delivering a design that's distinctly and unmistakably Google. And while that phone, along with pretty much all Google tech products, had a limited market reach, things sure have changed with the new Pixel 7 series. Not only do the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro feature the distinct, unique Google Pixel look, plus the beloved stock Android experience, but also expanded availability and a next-gen Tensor processor made by Google itself. You know who else makes their own processors? Apple and Samsung, of course. And while Apple is the scapegoat and antagonist in many discussions about which phone brand is better, Google's actual rival, and one who should be worried, is actually Samsung. Samsung, on the other hand, does have a bit of a negative rep in some markets due to its phones shipping with less powerful processors there, meanwhile with more powerful processors in the US. Even the S22 Ultra comes with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or the Exynos 2200 depending on where you live, and that can feel a bit unfair. Meanwhile, you know that your new Pixel 7 Pro comes with the Tensor G2 processor, and your iPhone 14 Pro comes with the A16 Bionic processor, no matter where you are. The Pixel folding phone is still but a rumor, supposedly a device that's been in development and through delays several times already. Only time will tell if it really comes to fruition. But the Google Pixel tablet is coming for real, and Google is clearly and strongly targeting casual tablet users, who may also benefit from a smart speaker, or more accurately, a smart display. Because Google's tablet will be able to transform into both. You're not punished for living in the wrong country, not forced to import those just to get the better experience either.